Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to transfer Avalanche from your Trezor wallet to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're trading, staking, or just managing your assets, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do it safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, gather your essentials. Make sure your Trezor hardware wallet is connected to your computer via USB, and you have the Trezor Suite app installed. You'll also need a verified Kraken account with funds ready for any potential fees. Double-check that you have Avalanche, AVAX, in your Trezor wallet to transfer. Step 1. Open the Trezor Suite app and ensure your device is recognized. Navigate to the Avalanche section in the wallet interface. This is where you'll manage your AVAX holdings. Step 2. In Trezor Suite, select the Send option for your Avalanche. You'll need the recipient address, so let's get that from Kraken next. Step 3. Log into your Kraken account on their website or app. Go to the Deposit section, select Avalanche, and generate or copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify this address twice to avoid costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Trezor Suite, paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to send, and review the transaction details, including network fees. Step 5. Hit Send, and confirm the transaction on your Trezor device itself. You'll need to enter your PIN and approve it on the hardware for added security. Step 6. Once confirmed, monitor the transaction using a blockchain explorer like the official Avalanche site. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Finally, log back into Kraken and check your account balance to ensure your AVAX has arrived. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully transferred your assets. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto world. Use official apps, keep your devices updated, and never share your private keys. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.